Hey friends, welcome to another video. My name is Jake, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a friend. This is the first video out of a series of 50 videos that I'm hoping to make for people like yourself in search for friends. And the first and only tip I'll give you today is saying yes more often. I never really understood the art of saying yes until I saw that movie Yes Man. It started to stir up some thoughts and it made a lot more sense to me into why saying yes has a lot of benefits to it. Obviously not in everything. But in this video, I'm just sharing with you that the more often you do say yes, you are creating more potential to take actions in later in the future. So when it comes to friendship, saying yes can be a tough thing because as bad as we might need it in the moment, the opportunity then makes itself apparent and then we say no. Has that happened to you? Start saying yes to opportunities that come in front of you, whether this comes from a text, whether it comes from a phone call, an email, friend request, an invite to something, maybe even something, probably online if it comes to, connecting with people and making a group workout routine online and connecting to people in some sort of Instagram group or, some sort of challenge. Saying yes can open the opportunity and the doors to develop friendship. So maybe some connections with people you would have never thought you were going to connect with. So saying yes, again, will open those doors because saying no shuts them very quickly. And bear this in mind when you're thinking about saying yes or when you don't want to say yes, is to notice the obstacles that are in your way. Whether right now it's COVID, that's I think the biggest obstacle right now for most people. But then comes our mindset, our environment, our mind telling us you can't do it, you shouldn't do it. We're stuck in that negative spot. And if you're stuck in that negative spot, and you're uncertain of who you are, and if you think you're undeserving, I do have a video for you. I'm gonna link it right up here, and I'm gonna put it in the description below, and how to break away from those negative thoughts. But again, back to saying yes. Saying yes has opened so many doors for myself, especially when it comes to making videos like this. It actually came from this YouTuber, I'll share her. Her name is Sarah. She's actually a licensed clinical social worker, and we met on LinkedIn because I saw that she had looked at my page, I looked at hers, she added me as a friend and I said yes. And then we had a great conversation that actually led to this 50 video, series because she had said that I was a great writer and then followed up with, you should do a video of a breakdown when it comes to your writing because I've written on friendships before, which actually brings on this video. Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate you and I appreciate your videos. I'm gonna link Sarah's YouTube as well inside the description below. So again, check out her YouTube, great stuff, especially when it comes to mental health. We gotta stay connected. So again, as you can see, saying yes had opened the opportunity for even these videos to start. So I can thank Sarah, I can thank that little voice in my head telling me no and me deciding saying yes. I would rather try to make these videos, put them out there, even if they get one view, that's enough for me. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you checking out this channel. It's a new channel. I'm just hoping to revitalize it and share more mental health information for good people like yourself out there. And again, take care.